Same-sex marriages will start next week in Alabama.
It's our big story right now at 5. This morning, the 11th Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals denied the state's motion for an extension of stay on gay marriages.
Local 15's Christian Jennings spoke with the couple who kick-started the campaign, making marriage a reality for thousands of same-sex couples. Christian?
I did, and you know, Cari, Searcy, and McKeand are of course thrilled with the federal court order that now opens the door for same-sex marriages. And come Monday morning at 8 a.m. we could very well see a long line of people here at Probate Court eager to say I do. On February 9th, Alabama will become the 37th state to legalize gay marriage.
We're just ecstatic. This means that we finally get to be legally recognized as the family that we are, and that's what this has been about this whole time.
Cari, Searcy, and McKeand have been together 17 years. In 2008, they tied the knot in California. Now, 7 years later, their marriage will be recognized in their home state.
This is history. This is the first time that this has been done in Alabama, and I would call that a victory.
Last month, U.S. District Judge Jenny Grenade ruled Alabama's ban on gay marriage unconstitutional. She put a hold on her order until February 9th to let the state appeal. Alabama's Attorney General Luther Strange asked the court to extend that stay until a Supreme Court ruling is made on the issue later this year. This morning, however, a federal court of appeals denied that request.
Yeah, it means equality. It means that Alabama is going to treat each and every one of its citizens the same exact way.
Strange is still fighting it, though. He's now seeking a stay from the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, Searcy and McKeand are staying focused on their 9-year-old son, who Searcy has been trying to adopt for years.
Our adoption we will be filing immediately as soon as the stay is lifted, and we expect to be able to move that through the courts and get a court date as soon as they have one available.
Now, the couple's attorneys did file a motion this morning asking Judge Grenade to lift that stay immediately instead of making couples wait until Monday morning to marry. However, the judge did deny that motion, saying probate courts across the state need that time to prepare for compliance. Reporting live in downtown Mobile, Christian Jennings, Local 15 News.
Christian, thank you. Alabama Attorney General Luther Strange and Governor Robert Bentley both expressed disappointment with the decision.
The Attorney General's office is asking the U.S. Supreme Court to intervene. Governor Bentley agrees. He released this statement today reading, "The issue of same-sex marriage is a complicated one that involves all levels of government. My request to the 11th Circuit was simply to ask that the stay be held until the Supreme Court can rule once and for all this year, or pending the fully briefed 11th Circuit appeal of the issue."
You can follow all of our coverage on the same-sex marriage debate on our website, local15tv.com.